Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about the Java installation and the Java path setting in your system. So let's start with the video. So to install the Java, you need to go to this site, oracle.com Java. And here you need to go to the Windows and you will get the list of the installers. So I am going to select the second one, that is x64 installer, and this is Java 19th version I'm going to install. So when you click on this link, the JDK and software will be downloaded into your system. You need to go to that path and double click, say yes. And click on next. So we'll close it now. Now we will go to the location and see if Java files are created or not. We will go to the C drive and program files. And you see here Java is installed, Java folder is created, and JDK 19 version, that is what we installed. So now we are set with the Java installation. Now next step is to set the path for Java to run the Java programs. So for that I'm going to the bin folder in Java. Let me take you to the path again. So I come to C drive, program files, Java, JDK, and I'll select the bin, and you have to copy this path and in the search just type environment. So you need to edit the system environment variables, and here you in this you need to click on environment variables, and you need to click on new here in the system variables section, and variable name is, so you already got the path, so you need to just edit that path. You don't have to click on new, you already have the path, so edit, and it will ask you to create the new path for Java. This the one which we copied, so it will be copied till the bin. Click on OK and OK. Now we are done with the path setting. Now let's test if Java is recognized or not by the system. So I'm opening the command prompt and I'll just search, type Java hyphen version to confirm the Java installation, and you see here Java version 19 is showing. So this is how we install the Java software in the system. Now let's see if Java, we are able to run the Java program. So for that, I am just creating a sample Hello World program. So Hello World is the first program in Java that any programming language, you write a Hello World program. Let's start. I'll say class demo. And I will have some main method. So here I'll print hello world message. So here I'll save this file to some location that is in programs in my drive. So I'll name it as demo.java. Now you see demo.java file I saved. Now I need to check this if it is getting compiled and it is run successfully or not. So first I need to go to that path. I'll copy this path, and since it is saved in E drive, I'll go to the E drive, E colon, and I'll just change the directory to E drive cd space that path. Now we are in this path. Now I'm going to compile the program. Java C space demo.java is a command to compile. Let's see, now you see there is no error and it is just going to that path and successfully it compiled the program. So let's see in the drive. So you see here after compilation demo.class is created. It means that it is compiled successfully without any errors. If there is any error, syntax error or anything, it will show up here. And now I'll run the Java program, Java space class name. Now you see hello world is printed. So this is the way you install the Java and set the path and compile and run the program. So that's it for today. Thank you.